Welcome to another episode of SG Crypto. Today it's going to be a really short video, basically just going to go over the Sologenic airdrop that is coming up on the 24th. The snapshot takes place on the 24th. We'll get into all that in a sec. But yeah, basically just going to go through the Solo airdrop, what you got to do exactly. It's actually super simple, so let's just get right into it. Huge shout out, as always, to Medium. They always seem to have great blogs about, what exactly you have to do. They're a great resource for people. I use them basically just to turn their written form into video form. As always, I always give them credit. But some people just aren't readers and prefer video form. And so I just use their content to make some of my content. But it works both ways. One hand washes the other. I always give them credit because that credit is definitely due. And so who is eligible to receive the Solo tokens airdrop? Anyone who establishes a trust line, which is what we're going to be doing today, to the Solo gateway address and holds XRP and or Solo at the time of snapshot is eligible to receive airdrop. And so both XRP and Solo holders will receive this airdrop. The snapshot, as I mentioned before, takes place on December 24th, 2021 at 8 p.m. So Christmas Eve, it's going to be fun. Not only are we getting presents, but we're getting some tokens. Am I right? So yeah, the snapshot will take place 24th on the XRP ledger and scan all the accounts with trust lines to the Solo gateway. And the tokens will be distributed on January 20th of 2022 at 8 p.m. UTC. Now, how much Solo will be airdropped? A total of 2 million Solo will be airdropped to the eligible community, and it'll be a 50-50 split. So 100 million will go to Solo holders, and 100 million will go to XRP holders. So if you have both, or if you just want to purchase both, you get a little bit of both, a little bit of each. Each of the 50-50 split. It's maybe worth it to kind of dive in and see which would be more worth it, because I would bet there's more XRP holders than there are Solo holders. And so the ratio is dependent upon how many people actually have trust lines set up. So if let's say 50,000 people have trust lines set up for the XRP side of the Solo airdrop, then you're not going to get as much of the Solo as you would, let's say, for example, if on the Solo side of the 100 million, there were only 1,000 people. The distribution ratio will be a lot more on that Solo side because there's not as many people eligible for it. So that's something to keep in mind, and maybe I'll do a video about that, just kind of doing like a deep dive into which would be the most. What would give you the bigger bang for your buck? And actually, yeah, now that I kind of mentioned that, I will do a video on that in a couple days, probably on Monday, so you guys kind of know. I'll definitely do it before the snapshot because otherwise it'd be worthless. So yeah, that's it for that. Let me just show you guys now how exactly, and actually, before I go into that, I'll leave this link in the description, because down here he kind of goes through what I just said. He kind of goes through a written example of the ratios and how they'll be determined. So that could be kind of nice for some people that are interested in that. So what you're going to want to do is download the XRPL app. This is the easiest way. There's also a way to do it with hardware wallets, and I'll also make a video on that in the near future. On Monday as well, I'll do that for the hardware wallets. So with XRPL, all you have to do is download the app, go through the time to write down your security phrase, your 12 or 24 word security phrase, write all that stuff down, preferably on paper, because digitally it's just, there's chance of people getting to it, and you just don't want that crap. So download the XRPL app, set all that up, write down your phrase, and then what you will do next is you need to deposit a minimum of 10 XRP to unlock your account, so you can unlocking would allow you to add tokens such as the solo. So you're gonna have to send 10 XRP to your xumm wallet. Then after you have all that taken care of, you'll see the exact screen that I have right here in front of me. You'll click add tokens. These are all the tokens they've had in the past. Makes me think I've missed a lot of airdrops, but whatever. So solo, go to Sologenic, click there at the bottom, and you'll click sign to add token. Okay, you'll scroll down, slide to accept. Super small transaction fee, nothing like Ethereum, thank God. And you'll press continue. This is just the warning, so read that, understand it, and then click continue if you wish to do so, of course. So it's verifying, takes about 3 seconds. XRP, gotta love it. And there you go, you have it added, and that is literally everything that you have to do with the xumm app. That's why I said it's the fastest, easiest. It's fantastic. So that's how you set up a trust line, and basically you'll just add or send all of your XRP to this wallet, and on the 24th a snapshot will take place on the xumm app and the hardware wallets that have set up trust lines. Again, I'll go through the hardware side of things next week, Monday, but that's all you have to do. So just send all the XRP that you want to be included in the snapshot, and you'll be good to go, and you'll receive that. That's all for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, put those in the comments, and I will get back to those as soon as I can. So have a good day.